Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I will show you how to use the if function in Excel. So the if function is a conditional function which helps in determining if a cell meets the condition or not. So the formula is equal to if we open the bracket, we select the cell, and then we write the condition. What is the condition? So in this case I have the student's name and the score, and my condition is if the score is greater than 70, then the student has passed. So B2 should be greater than 70. So what if it's true? So as you can see down here, we have to write the value if it's true. So we'll use the double quotation marks to write what happens if it's true, and we'll close the quotation marks, then we'll press a comma. Then now we have written what if this condition is met, then it's a pass if this condition is met. But what if it is not met? So here we will write what will happen if the condition is not met. The student is failed. So we'll write fail and we'll close it with the double quotation mark, and then we'll close the bracket. We press enter. So as you can see, it automatically tells that the student has passed. We don't have to do it again and again for every cell. We just have to drag it down till number 10, and then as you can see, we'll have which all students have passed or failed in the subject. And it's a really helpful tool in big data when you cannot manually check each and every student's marks. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.